moment, I'll get you to open your eyes. And whenever I say the word freeze, you'll freeze. Much like if you were pausing your favorite show on Netflix. Whenever I say the word freeze, whatever you're saying, whatever you're doing, you'll just stop. Mid-sentence, you'll stop in mid-movement, and you'll freeze until I say unfreeze, and you'll continue wherever you are. And it will seem like the strangest thing. It will almost be like I've got an imaginary remote control. And whenever I push this remote control and say the word freeze, you will just simply freeze. It's the weirdest thing. It's the world's most powerful remote control. Nod your head if you understand, accept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. So I want to check, because I want to make sure you've got your name back now. It's good to have your name. What is your name?
Deb.
Beautiful. What did that feel like? Because I know that that was something, when we did all of our change work in the past, and you watched some of my videos, you were like, I wish you had done that with me. What did that feel like?
It's weird. It's fun, but exciting, but you're like, why can't I say my name? I know my name.
I know.
It won't come out.
It's a weird thing, and the reason I do that with people is, you know, you've had your name since birth. They say your name is the most important word or sound to you is your name. And I'm like, if you can forget your own name, which you've had, obviously you've only had it for 21 years, right, your name?
Yes. Plus a few.
There you go. But if you've had your name your whole life, if you can forget your name, then you can forget that problem you used to have, that old ex that you want to forget, you know, that old habit that didn't serve you. If you can forget something as important and probably as positive as your name, then you can forget all that shit, because your name's been with you your whole life. That problem that you used to have may have only been with you a few years. So that's one of the reasons I do that. But I've been waffling on enough right now. Do you know what this is?
Remote control.
It's a remote control, but it's not any old remote control, Deb. You see, this is a magical remote control. It works on human beings. So the weirdest thing happens is when I press it and say freeze, whatever you're saying you're doing, you just freeze. I know it sounds really, really weird. Like, can you just take a big stretch for me, like with your arms over your head? So I make freeze. Unfreeze.
Okay.
It's kind of weird. Were you working today?
Yes.
So like what animals were you working with today? Like what animals came into the clinic today?
A bunch of dogs and cats.
Unfreeze.
So we were doing vaccines on them, and yeah, getting everybody healthy and ready for the summer.
Unfreeze.
Yeah, good day, busy day.
Busy day, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember that? Do you remember that music, that song, the YMCA?
Yep.
Yeah. Have it like humour me. I'm next to the gay capital of Toronto here in a church where we have pride and stuff like that. So a lot of great gay people around here. But YMCA, you know, it's tied in with the gay community, whatever. But I was always shit at remembering the dance, right? I knew the Y. So how does how do you do the Y with your hands? The Y is like this, right?
Right. Yeah.
Freeze. Unfreeze. So that's the M.
Yeah.
Freeze. Unfreeze. Look at me right there and sleep. Eyes closed, deeper and deeper. That's right. Very good.